Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. That is Fulton Beach Road, somewhere under that water. I was not expecting this when I got up this morning. It's about an inch deep right here because I just drove through it. And we will be on dry road in a little bit, but you can see at some point the surge came up over the Bulkhead. We're right by the convention center in Fulton, Rockport, Texas's twin sister city. There's the convention center. We're not going to go up into that parking lot today, or at least this morning. Fulton Convention Center. Yeah, I've never seen water there before. We actually had a decent sunrise this morning. I was trying to sleep through it. Yes, I have to sleep at some point. No overnight camping. But if you remember the little clips I showed yesterday, the water was coming up over the Bulkhead here. There's the road where we usually drive and film the boats in the morning. And it looks like we would need a boat to do that today. I'm sure they have some water in the bait stand there. There's the Bulkhead right over where that blue boat is. And this water has come right over it. You can see right here the debris on the road from the high tide mark. I did see the coffee shop's closed, but they have power. I saw on that's amazing. Facebook this morning, my friend Lisa sent me some photos. The Harbor Oaks section of Rockport had, they described it as a twister. Other people said it was a tornado. Overturned their pontoon boat, and there was a shed overturned, and someone posted photos from an RV park over on 1791. They said it was a twister, but there was just their patio furniture overturned. It's a little bit higher ground here. I don't think we'll be going down Fulton Beach Road here. Looks like they closed the road, and even that sign got moved around. Yeah, that would just be stupid to go through there. Yeah, you can see the road closed sign, even that got moved. But yeah, look at the waves hitting down there. That's not good. That bait stand also is going to take in some damage. Wow. They are such nice people. You know, that's their business. That's how they make a living. I was not expecting that. So this is right in Fulton. I was making my way up to the main road, and I think the deer are over it as well. We have herds of deer that go through Rockport, Fulton, and tend to hang out at the golf course area and the homes around the golf course. But they look like they're ready for a good meal. Glad to see they made it through the storm okay. Well, there's your postcard. And there is Fulton Beach Road. I just drove by Harbor Oaks in the cemetery and I didn't see any damage. Toll Creek is way up. I mean way up. So where that clump of grass is to this grass here, that's Fulton Beach Road. And we're actually on Bay Shores, which is a little street that runs along Fulton Beach Road for a few hundred yards. And even that has water on it. Right there. This is pretty amazing. There's a road that we filmed on yesterday under here. And there's a stretch of the road sticking up right here. Someone's pier's underwater. The blue herons are out today. They're enjoying this. Good morning, Eugene. How are you today? Did you get anything good to eat? That is a great blue heron. He didn't want to talk today. He's got work to do. Usually they'll squawk. And there goes another great blue heron. We'll go down to the end of this. This water right here is about, my left tire is in about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of water. Kind of uneventful last night. I heard it rain a couple times, but for most of the night it wasn't raining. At some point today we're supposed to get high wind, and I'm not really sure of the direction, if it'll be pushing more water inland or giving us a little bit of a break. Wait for it. There's your postcard. It's odd because when the artist created this, 3 of the pieces were initially supposed to be out in the bay. Showing different stages of Texas coast history. 3 on the left are Karankawa Native Americans. And then they had a conquistador, and a pirate, and a monk. I'd say the water is definitely up higher than usual. But I was over here yesterday. Let me put a little clip in. There was some flooding at Rockport Harbor during one of the breaks in the rain. I filmed that yesterday. And I'll put that in right now. I just wanted to give you guys an idea about how high the surge is. You can see it's coming right over the bulkhead here in Rockport Harbor. We'll go around town today and see what we can see. And again, on this side of the harbor, the way the wind's blowing, water is right up over the bulkhead. And that's going to be, unfortunately, in the store here at Mom's Bait Shop. I hope they're okay. They're really nice people. There's Eugene hoping to catch a fish, take advantage of the situation. Rockport Beach is closed again today, which I completely understand. And if you want to know why, this is the free beach, what I like to call the dog beach. You're allowed to bring a dog on a leash here to the beach. And it is all underwater. Where those beach umbrellas are out there, the shade structures. The water line is usually well after that. This is all beach to a certain point. That's impressive. This is the bulkhead over at Rockport Harbor with a lot of debris. That's a very high bulkhead. And the fact that the water came over that last night is pretty scary. I thought it was really high with that little clip I showed you, but you're not going to believe this. I don't believe I'm looking at this. That is way up over the bulkhead. Wow. You can see where the front pilings are there. That's where the bulkhead is. I mean, that's a high bulkhead too. That's not. This is cute. The ducks are swimming in the parking lot. If you've got a boat here, come check your lines, because a lot of these lines are really tight. You probably weren't expecting your boat to have to go up that high. Wow. And I'll say it again, I was not expecting this. Someone's Jeep's in the water. That's Luciano's backup pavilion right there. And that floor is underwater. Luciano is over at the church still. He's fine, he's dry. There's hammer time. Water is almost all the way across the street. All these bait shops, I can't believe they're open. Do they have water in there? No, they're sweeping out. They're really nice people. Wow, that one definitely took some damage. They got their Israel flag. People just coming to work, and we're not even going to go down here. Look at that. That's a shame. People come checking on their boats and property. That's what's going on in Rockport right now. Got to meet the storm chasers. That's going to be a separate video. Keep an eye on my channel. Thanks for riding along today. Thanks for watching.